Are biopellets for you? Biopellets is simply a form of carbon dosing similar to vodka dosing. They are made of a biodegradable polymer that feed and grow the good bacteria in your system that consumes the excess nutrients out of the water. They look like little beads. You want to run your biopellets in a reactor, and you need to have a quality skimmer in order to remove the excess organics. The skimmate will be dark and nasty. They should tumble freely in your reactor, and you want to start slow. You can add additional pellets over time, but you should start seeing an improvement in your system in a couple weeks. You'll see lower nitrates and nitrites. I hope this helps, and thank you very much.